I'm Caleb Mandile. I work with Salt Energy LLC down in Marathon in Florida Keys. I've been working here as a solar installer for the past, say, year and a quarter, just over a year. Salt, however, has been in the Keys for over 25 years, nearly 30 years. And we've been doing solar for, I believe, 15 of those years. So we're very familiar with kind of the environment down here, the challenges, the hurricanes, the corrosive environment and all that. So we're familiar with quality installs and building stuff that will last, and the products we sell represent that.
Do you know how long you guys have been using QuickBOLT for?
Maybe this past summer of 2020. We were looking for an attachment to use on asphalt roofs. The QuickBOLT 2, the real easy flashing on it, kind of stood out, and yeah, so we've only done one install with them. Only been a couple months, but yeah.
What aspects of the QB2 made you want to switch?
I think what stuck out with the QuickBOLT 2 is the ease of the micro flashing and how there's no real extra steps to it. You just, you drive the 4-inch bolt in, the flashing just compresses, and you don't even need sealant, although of course we use sealant, but just to be safe. But it kind of just works. It's simple, it's easy to use, and it takes some of the headaches out of the kind of the trust finding process.